habayena giwei nabahak manjong ataba tang ma pi maun yapi bang yang syupet pengas nyai hatungan hun pada jirki yang apa pin pencerai malakamit ya kerteng jom pi ngaju bertai hatu bandale ran bayat dialang panu bakar.
Hey, friends is here, guys. Let's go, friends. Balay, friends. Hey. Yes, hello everyone, khasi people, Meghalaya, Kumno Pilong Paralog, peace from Africa, guys. Today we are back again with a new music reaction video by the title SHYRTA. This is the music title. What does it mean by SHYRTA, guys? Tell me. You know, I know a little bit of khasi, but not that much. So let me know. We have WANJOP Fit Frenzy. We have Mar Local, guys. Today from Mar Local, we are going Mar Global because I'm gonna sing this song for you guys. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget, this is my vlog channel, guys. So kindly subscribe to watch my vlog around the world, around the Africa, and this channel is for you Meghalaya Northeast people, khasi people. Iapi, Kublai Shibon, and let's go. Let's go. Can't wait to sing for you. Start.
Pila banten shobin, pila banten jadu, masin yo jina pi, hakado kasmiu, kung tabali bunrang, hangabayin bilang. Napadengki dong sentiu tang ya pi ngaji ngara ihul ngipi laju monti kenangan api ya pau biti hajing mut manga mangla kasgi ku pas sentiu kari mengi ya tinanga no MP bong iwan ikloy ngabong pem na badabri balengi no sabalong nganeng kejit pinanga kumbak jit namutleng Beryabanya habayena giwei nabahak manjong ataba tang ma pi maun yapi bang yang syupet pengas nyai hatungan hun pada jirki yang apa pin pencerai malakamit ya kerteng jom pi ngaju bertai hatu bandale ran bayat dialang panu bakar.
Hey, friends is here, guys. Let's go, friends. Balay, friends. Hey.
Pila kring, pila shim ya dono jongna.
Ya dono jongna.
Nang tia, nang dem
kumbadong.
Okay, bring it back. Come on. Ngaga syatang bagasya klem shi. Kongpong duduk lat hapo cafe. Pangayo idala tip kajing long ka e yang abangan na just naman na jong ka ikyu tang basya po kajing dai a ris lebet pet ketika mes keren kasiru kada dream tang bada pet nga ikop mix klem kasur jong u friends iki ong kan track bakan num hit namar kikti barit jong ka tang kikti jong aki fit.
Hatungan hun yapi bang yang syupet pengas nyai.
This is the vibe, guys. They just kill it.
Malakamit ya kerteng jong pi ngaju bertai hatu bandale ran bayat dialang panu bakar.
Once again, black dress, hanga topless. Danga yaro ya ka kaong nonsense. Kala sa turun ka relationship a toxic. Ya ka bala de padu mataru kadang obsess. Na hai shadien la iting weng utuk pieng kaburit ya tuna dien na jaga bangam jumlien ka genter la kumu klieng sya jaga bakam susing ani up syuang remesi. Baby, slow it down.
Slow it
down. Pila hun ka jing yu bi ma pine sa ka hasapti upun nula len lagi kan tien ba ong pipor badang ya rin on dala he on dala pau te upun nu baleret ya no mangino balengino barong pinanga ungalangam jelop langop uba kering pinanga yang ingin kabarut humay hatong uya sa priang hanaki boy ang ipaba ka persabar raw kin ka majis boy
hun yapi bang yang syupet pengas nyai hatungan hun pada jirki yang apa pin pencerai malakamit ya kerteng jong pi ngaju bertai hatu bandale bayar dialang panu bakar. Ngaklay ban budia pi ba ikat syab pi alam namar jong pi jing engan tom shiliang
Namar jong pi.
tu ai ju shania ha ki gulara pi ngaklay menta ngare jing it ka bapura ban ngalong jong pi ba it baro SHYRTA
Bayan baro SHYRTA.
baro SHYRTA
Hey, baro SHYRTA.
yang pi bang yang syupet pengas nyai hatungan hun pada jirki yang apa pin pencerai malakamit
This is a healing song, man. Shyrta, guys. Oh my gosh. You know, I usually, whenever I'm reacting to khasi song, I used to stop in between and to talk a little bit about the song, but this song today was really heat, fire. It didn't give me a chance to calm down to talk to you guys. Oh my god, that's the best collaboration of my local I'm watching today, guys. This is no wonder. That's why this song having a lot of views, guys, millions of views. And I was like, no way, I can't react to this song, guys. Though there is no English subtitle, but I was able to read from the khasi lyric, guys. You know, Frenzy, my brother, you just kill it. Just know you are the best, one of the best rappers in Shillong there. You really kill it. WANJOP, yeah, you are just for me, WANJOP is more global, not more local, bro. More local is already, I know, my local, yeah, this is how you started. But to the level you are now is called more global, brother. It was really amazing. The beat, the vibe. But remember, say no to alcohol, guys, like how WANJOP push it away. No to alcohol. That's it. Love from Africa, guys. Don't forget, subscribe and tell me which reaction to be next. Peace out.